Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to install and use PC Manager on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So you just need to follow me. So through this tool you can boost your PC performance, and also you will get lots of options on this tool. To download this tool you just need to go to this website and you just need to download this tool from here, and after that you just need to install on your computer. So after download you will get a PC Manager on your window like this. So you will get lots of options over here. Like if you want to boost your system, then you can click on this boost button and it will boost your PC performance. Okay, and also you will get health check from here. Like if you click on proceed, then it will clear your cache, temporary files and system logs. Okay, and from here you can manage your storage. Okay, then process management. From here you can end your unused processor on your computer, and also you can disable or enable startup apps from here. And also you will get another option over here, which is security. From here you can update your Windows, and also browser protection and pop-up management you will get over here. I hope this tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.